Hello, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Aldi Setiawan. I will discuss Japanese investment in Indonesia automotive factories. Okay, let's go. Let's get straight to it. Background: globalization drives countries' involvement in international business, including foreign direct investment (FDI). Japan actively invests overseas, particularly in the automotive sector. Indonesia is a strategic destination due to its large domestic market, low production costs, and favorable location in Southeast Asia. Japanese investment in automotive manufacturing in Indonesia has positive impact such as job creation, technology transfer, and strengthening bilateral relations, while demonstrating the important role of international business in economic growth. Form of investment: Japan invests in Indonesia automotive sector through foreign direct investment (FDI), where Japanese companies invest directly to establish and operate factories in Indonesia. This investment includes: Number 1. Establishment of production plants. Japanese automotive companies such as Toyota, Honda, Suzuki, and Mitsubishi have established vehicle and automotive component production facilities in various regions in Indonesia such as Karawang, Bekasi, and Cikarang. Form of investment. Number 2. Joint ventures. Several Japanese companies have collaborated with local Indonesian companies to establish joint ventures to produce and market vehicles domestically and for export. Number 3. Technology and management transfer. Japanese investment is not only physical but also takes the form of technology transfer, training of the local workforce, and the introduction of efficient production management systems such as just in time, JIT, and Kaizen. Form of investment. Number 4. Local supply chain development. Japanese companies are also investing in the development of local suppliers to provide automotive spare parts and components, thus supporting the overall growth of the automotive industry in Indonesia. Reason why Japan invests in Indonesia. Bank Indonesia Governor Peri Warjio invited Japanese investors to invest in Indonesia for 5 main reasons: macroeconomic stability, high economic growth, sustainable structural reforms, accelerate digitalization of the economy and finance, and inclusive and sustainable economy development. This invitation was delivered at the Indonesia Investment Forum in Tokyo on November 6 to 7, 2023, organized by the Ministry of Investment or BKPM. Positive and negative impacts. Japanese investment in Indonesia automotive sector has broad positive impact such as job creation, increased exports, and technology transfer. However, it also poses challenges such as dependence on foreign capital, pressure on local industry, potential environmental damage, and the risk of workers' right violation. The reform, waste management, and regulation are necessary to ensure its impact remains sustainable and equitable. Challenge and risks. Japanese investment in Indonesia automotive sector faces various challenges such as complex bureaucracy, inconsistent regulation, and uneven infrastructure. Furthermore, the skill gap between the local workforce and Japanese standard requires additional training. Other risks include exchange rate fluctuation, global economic conditions, and potential political tensions, which could impact the long-term stability of the investment. Conclusion. Japanese investment in Indonesia automotive sector has significantly contributed to economic growth, job creation, and increased exports, while beneficial challenges such as dependence on foreign investment, talent gaps, and regulation and global economic risks still need to be addressed. Balanced collaboration between the government, investors, and the public is necessary for this investment to be sustainable and profit tangible added value to Indonesia. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.